friends, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy Gurpurab. On this special occasion, I am preparing Kadha Prasad in my kitchen today. Usually Kadha Prasad is served in Gurdwaras, but you can relish it at home using this very simple recipe. So let's see how to prepare it.
Firstly, we'll heat 1 cup of desi ghee in a kadhai. In weight, this is 125 grams. So we'll take equal quantity of desi ghee, atta and sugar, and we'll take 2 cups of water. So once desi ghee is heated into this, we'll add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. In weight, this is 125 grams. Usually this halwa is made using whole wheat flour and desi ghee only, although you can use refined oil as well. But if you are making it for any auspicious occasion, then make this halwa in desi ghee only. Now we need to stir flour in desi ghee on medium flame till it turns light brown in color. Here I am using normal flour, although you can make this halwa using mota atta as well. So now you can see the texture of the halwa and even the color has changed to light brown in color. Here you can see the texture as well as the color of the halwa has changed. So this is the perfect color which I want for my halwa. If you will overstir it, then it will turn more darker in color, which we do not want, because after adding water also the color of the halwa will get dark. So at this stage we'll add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar, which is 125 grams again. We'll add both the ingredients together. So here goes water and along with it goes sugar. Now increase the flame and stir the halwa continuously in this manner, and soon you will see that atta will absorb all the water and it will turn into one lump. So here you can see that the ghee has also started to separate from the kadhai and the halwa is very easily moving with this one ladder. So as my mother says that if your halwa is moving with one ladder in this manner, then it's perfectly done. Now we need to cook it for 1 to 2 more minutes on high flame. You can see we have got nice color of the halwa, and there is no need to add cardamom powder or any other nuts in this halwa. This is served just like this. Our Kadha Prasad is ready. You can see it has turned out so tempting, so delicious. It reminds me of the Gurdwara ka Prasad. I simply love it. Not only because of the delicious taste, but because of the feelings which this halwa has, makes this Prasad even more special. So you can prepare this halwa on any auspicious occasion, be you have puja at home or any special festivals. I'm sure everyone will really like it. So this Gurpurab, try making this Kadha Prasad at home and enjoy it.
I hope friends you liked watching our today's video. Do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching our today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and please subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.